Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a compact powerhouse designed to bring some serious low-end punch to your audio setup. The Earthquake Sound FF6.5 front-firing subwoofer in black. This isn't a massive, room-dominating box, but rather a more discreet, floor-standing unit that aims to integrate smoothly into various environments, whether it's a small living room, a bedroom, or even a high-end desktop audio system. At its core, the FF6.5 features a 6.5-inch driver, which is relatively small for a subwoofer, suggesting it's designed for tighter, more controlled bass rather than earth-shaking rumble, though its capabilities might surprise you. Powering this driver is a 150-watt Class AB high-efficiency amplifier. Class AB amps are known for offering a good balance between efficiency and sound quality, often preferred for their smooth audio reproduction compared to some other amplifier types. The 150 watts of maximum output power should be sufficient to fill smaller to medium-sized spaces with noticeable bass presence. Connectivity is handled via RCA, which is a standard and widely compatible method for connecting subwoofers to receivers, preamps, or even some powered speakers with a sub-output. This makes it straightforward to integrate into most existing audio systems. One convenient feature is the automatic signal detection circuitry. This means the subwoofer can sense when an audio signal is being sent to it and automatically power on, and then power off after a period of inactivity. This saves energy and eliminates the need to manually switch it on and off every time you use your system. LED status indicators are also included, providing a visual cue as to whether the unit is on, in standby, or receiving a signal. For fine-tuning the sound, the FF6.5 includes a variable filter with a slope of 12 dB per octave. This filter can be adjusted from 40 Hz up to 180 Hz. This is a crucial control as it allows users to set the crossover point, determining which frequencies the subwoofer handles and which are left to the main speakers. A 12 dB per octave slope is a common and effective rate for blending the subwoofer's output seamlessly with the rest of the system, preventing gaps or overlaps in the frequency response. Being able to adjust this from 40 Hz, which is quite low, up to 180 Hz, which is relatively high, offers flexibility depending on the size and frequency response of the main speakers it's paired with. Its floor-standing design means it's intended to be placed directly on the floor, which is typical for subwoofers as the floor boundary can help reinforce bass frequencies. The front-firing orientation means the driver faces forward, which can sometimes make placement a little less critical compared to down-firing designs, though room acoustics always play a significant role in subwoofer performance. Overall, the Earthquake Sound FF6.5 appears to be a well-specified compact subwoofer aimed at users who need to add impactful bass to a system without taking up a lot of space. Its feature set, including the Class AB amp, auto signal detection, and variable filter, suggests it's designed for both convenience and performance in size class. It seems like a promising option for desktop setups, small home theater systems, or adding depth to music listening in smaller rooms.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.